Hey everyone, it's Kyle at Vacs. In today's video, we're going to show you a quick maintenance tips, such as changing out bags, filters, belts, and brush rolls on any Prolux upright model. Alright, let's get started. First thing you want to do is take off the front cover. There's a button push down, the cover will come off like so. Here we're going to show you how to remove the bag and put a new one on. To remove the bag, you'll notice there's this cardboard backing cover right here. You want to grab it with your hand and simply pull off like so. To put a new one on, the process is reverse. Take the backing cardboard piece and firmly push it on all the way, and it'll go on just like so. Next thing you want to check is this Premotor Hepa filter. To remove it, you're simply just going to pull it out and it will slide out like so. To replace it or put a new one in, you're going to notice there's these tracks right here. You're just going to want to slide the filter in like that. It'll go on with ease. Next one is the post motor filter. To access it, you're going to want to lay your vacuum down, and there's this sliding mechanism right here. You're going to want to slide it up and pull the cover off like so. Here you can remove it, put a new one in, and then to put the cover back on, there's this peg that's going to go into the slot on the opposite side, and it's going to pop in and then slide the mechanism down like so. And there you've got the post motor filter replaced. And to replace the brush roll or belt, we already have a video that goes in more depth. Link to that video will be in the description below. I hope that video is helpful and you're able to fix your vacuum on your own. If you need any parts, such as brush roll, belts, bags, HEPA filters, or a filter for 6000 for your Prolux upright models, we got them. Links for purchase will be in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our new videos. Vacs is the only authorized Prolux dealer, so if you need it, we got it. What are your thoughts on the upright models from Prolux? Go ahead and leave a comment down below, and as always, thanks for watching.